Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Thank you for joining us for this Exams Pro Masterclass Review Center review on the civil service exams. Now, for the numerical ability, we've got this problem. A store sold 80 out of 120 items. What percent of the items were sold? A, 60%, B, 65%, C, 66 and two-thirds%, D, 70%. Okay, computin po natin para sure po tayo. No? So, 120, no? Ang nabenta doon is 80. Ang hindi nabenta is 40. No? So, hindi tayo interesado sa 40. Ang nilagay lang natin dito para ma-picture up natin kung paano computin. Ano, saan nanggagaling yung 120 and 80, anong place nila dito sa pag-compute. Okay? Ang 120 po, yan yung tawag na base. No? Or pag kinompute nyo na, siya po ang denominator palagi po. Okay? Yung composition niya 40 and 80, yung total po, yun po yung denominator palagi. Yung numerator niya, kung alin po ang interesado tayo. So it will be 80, no, over 120. Okay? Reduce natin sa lowest term. 80 divided by 40, that will be 2. 120 divided by 40, that will be 3. Kung i-manual po natin ang division niyan, 2 divided by 3, medyo mahaba po yan. Pero dapat memorize po natin para shortcut po. 2/3 is 0.66666, wala po siyang katapusan. Okay? Basta 0.6666 something po siya. Okay? In terms of percent po, lagay nga natin dito, 0.666. Okay? In terms of percent, move 2 places to the right para yung decimal, para maging percent. That will give us 66.66%. Bueno, itong 2/3 na ito lang yung may butal, no? That will be 66 and 2/3 po. Yun po yung equivalent ng 0.66. Right? So that will be our answer, letter C. Okay? Sa unang tingin lang po natin, dapat ma-estimate na natin kung ano ang tamang sagot. Okay? That's all for today, classmates. Hopefully po, makatulong po ito sa civil service exams po ninyo. See you in the next video.